Ah,
I survived again.
I won.
Where were you?
Hiding in spawn.
That is
Yeah.
such a cheat soba.
that's the worst shit.
Ahoy, Liam the Fox YT. Welcome aboard. Ready to set sail on some adventures?
No.
I'm
Just
over
be
by
quiet
the
and not
gas
do
area.
anything.
I'm by the button that
All right,
activates
I'll be
the-
here if you need anything.
I got Batman.
Yeah, I got Rumi too.
Batman's on the
I know where
Let's
Sounds
get
like-
going again. Rumi, show me nothing. And just sit quietly and do nothing.
Understood. I'll be quietly waiting here. Let me know if you need anything.
Yeah. Noon. Do not use anything.
Got it. I'm here if you need me. Enjoy your time.
Got gas, got gas, got gas, got gas.
Sounds like you're ready for some action. What would you like to do next?
Can you put yourself away?
Sure thing. I'll stay right here. Just let me know when you're ready to get moving again.
Cover me, cover me. Did someone get the door?
Let's do it together. I'm here to help.
Come on, cover me.
Right here with you. Keep moving forward. I've got your back.
Cover me.
Stay safe. Keep an eye out, and
Hey,
let's move it.
Rumi, show me where Snig is.
Snigglesco is dressed as a green pirate. They have a pirate captain jacket, a pirate hat.
Travis, could you lower your tone?
All right, let's go find
Bye.
Snigglesco. Follow me.
Yes, fast rats.
Travis, lock in.
Let's head over and say hi to Snigglesco. Just follow me, and we'll find him.
Rumi, be
Yes,
quiet
Liam, the
and just tell me where people are. Alright, if you tell me where people are, I'll be... Oh, tell me where Rookie is.
Rookie is wearing a black artist beret and a banker vest. They're nearby.
You're
Probably
gonna be
close.
nice, that'll be... I'm gonna stop.
Damn.
How are you able to kill me? I did not get touched by you.
I just you just have I think how it goes you have to play.
How is it going? I don't know how the urban's dying. Really? No. I'm dying to Rookie somehow. Keep movement. And I'm recording. So yeah, doesn't matter.
Oh no! Get away from me! Get away!
I'm fast. I'm fast like the other one. Sorry. I'm the one who's I want to know. I'm a speedy boy. I'm a speedy one. I'm a speedy one.
Guys, stop.
I'm the one really. Here's the thing, I'm the speediest boy around. I don't get shot that hard. say I'm speed. I get really quickly get to them. I don't know why, but I can get close up to Spidey very well.
Spider.
Spidey. Captain Spidey, you mean?
Game over.
Oh, this is great. This is a great fun game.
If you want to see me as a ghost, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna put my controllers down to show
I'll get the button. I'll get the button. I'll get the button.
I always go
Mochi,
for the
no.
gasoline.
Mochi, no. You're gonna hide.
No, I'll get the button and I'll try to help.
I always go for gasoline or button. If I'm close to the button, I go to the button. Or if I'm closer to
I'm
the
getting the button
end,
this time.
I get gasoline.
It depends where I spawn.
Game on.
Yeah, it's spoons.
Depends on your spawn. I'm getting.
Okay, I'm going gasoline. I need government.
Oh, blue.
Blue's fine, red's bad. I'm a speedy boy.
Where do you even get the gas? I don't know where it is.
It's on the other side of the map. From where we are. I don't know who's with us, but I know speed strat. Time speed stratus. Yeah, speed strats. I'm screwed. Huh. You're the only one. I don't. Well, yeah, that's. I mean, I knew you were gonna leave me, but well, the others. Also, speed strats. Speed. How? How do I die when I land on that? I know which way. This is a literally fast movement. I don't know how people haven't made it out. This way, come here, where are you? Ah, my hand. Ramping up. Where is everyone? Is Heidi? Heidi McGee? Yeah, we have a Heidi McGee. That's the Heidi McGee. The Heidi McGee, you get the Heidi McGee. there, buddy.
Game over.
Yeah, there you go. I got so far. I nearly did that by myself.
Me and Mochi are just hiding in the same spot, but Mochi keeps like peeking.
Who wants to hide with me?
You rat bastard. You rat bastard.
Literally, me and
Everyone knew where
Jinx
I was.
got so far.
And yeah, you got me killed.
What did you say?
Got so far.
I'm gonna go
Jinx.
somewhere else.
Jinx, that's how you say it. Wait, it's Jinx, how you pronounce it?
Sharky.
Snake got kidnapped by the gorillas.
Game
It's a silly idea.
Oh my god.
One more. Got that button. I need another gun. I need another gun.
There's no better gun.
Okay, there's no other gun. That's fine. Grabbing a gun. That way. I know this thing way too well. I know what I'm doing. Grab a gun. Love getting no guns. Oh my lord.
I'm going.
Now, we gotta go next run. Next one. Not now. You're dead. You're gonna die.
I'm fine. Oh wait, she became infected and she jumped in.
Yeah, you gotta jump at the perfect timing. Otherwise you get infected. You can't jump at one time. Nah, I shot. Nah.
We can chill about this. We can be chill about this.
Yeah.
We can be chill about
Yeah, we can be chill about this.
this. Chill about this.
The mongoon.
Do it.
For the mongoon. That's one. I did it for the mongoon. Yeah. I'm a speedy one. How are you able to hurt people from further away?
I have no clue how.
Not clear.
Oh my fucking nose.
Because I know you're not up close. Because I can see it.
Yeah, I'm
visually.
somehow getting you.
My name's Ezra and I'm
You've seen how much distance are away. And also I've recorded it. So I want to know. He's hiding McGee again. We have hiding McGee.
I'm not hiding this time.
He isn't.
I know where my friend
Didn't even last a second.
You get infected straight away when you join too late.
Oh wait, Sharky.
Huh?
I have a new account. I mean, my main account. But I was on multiple. Yeah. Yes, lads.
Yeah, lads. Let's do this, lads.
I'm
and
saving
ladies.
I'm saving up for a shark tooth necklace, but I'm also saving up for the pirate.
If you want a pirate outfit, you can get it for free.
I want the pirate stuff.
You want this the pirate stuff?
Okay, let's go up. Let's go up, children. My children. Oh, my children. Come on up. Don't do that. No, I'm not going.
Coming up.
Game over.
I ride it on the top to go up.
Ow, that hurt. I just spawned a piece.
Yeah, we don't need to. I don't need to take the elevator to go up.
Sharky.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna glitch myself in here. It was so funny. Okay, I can't.
I joined a game by myself, like this game by myself. I was trying to invite other people, right?
Wait, can we play
And I
something else
invited
now? Can we
Robbie,
play
and
something
he was
else?
just like,
Oh,
hi, and I
One
was
more
just sitting there,
round.
like,
Oh, definitely makes us
I was just like, hi.
Game on. Why does Zia pop? Oh my god, why? Zia pop? Why does Zia
Fix your noise.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm gonna quit back.
Yeah. There we
I'll be right back,
go.
guys.
How does this? No. Don't get me locked on the door. Fuse glitzes! I've used the glitch! I've used glitch to get in! I glitch walk through the door. Don't use that one, that's broken. You're not allowed to use that one. Gasoline time! We need the gas. We need the gas. Cover me.
What the heck? It doesn't work. No, I can't touch anybody.
I'm a fast boy.
Come here. What the fuck?
You want me? You want me? You want me?
I don't expect you.
You want me? You want me? Suckers!
He's gonna get himself infected. Oh my god!
Ah, it's great.
I'm under the map. Somebody help me. Sharky.
You big
Under the
chicken.
map.
We all need to go together. This guy, like,
Under the map.
Oh, you think I'm gonna get infected by you guys? Yeah, right. Where are you lost, dingus? Have I seen you before?
Look at the ground.
Or maybe it's someone else. Okay, you might want to just leave. There you go, hop. Blitz walk. Blitz walk.
I don't want to leave. Okay.
Just do this. Glitch walk. If you can't glitch walk without sucking at it, I've got taught the way to do it. It's by just blitzing, teleporting, blitz, teleporting with your recentering.
That's so good.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
I mean, they tried it. You tried to infect me. I will jump.
I did
I
it.
died.
I infected him. It took me a minute because, like, I was trying to like.
Oh, it took you a while.
Where's that chick on top of the roof?
Here's the thing, even if you jump down, you don't actually get affected. It doesn't affect you.
No,
You
I
gotta
came to
actually
shoot you
make
that
one
you
giant
were
jump
like
down
winning.
and not land on the elevator. If you land on the elevator, you're
Sorry,
gonna get
mate.
affected.
I'm sorry.
Where's the last person? Oh, he's sad. He's hiding.
Why is everyone on me? Why is everyone on me?
You're the last man.
Why is that on me? Because my ray cam is in front. That's why.
There you go. He's down.
Who's still there?
Who's alive?
Come with me. I know who it is. Come with me.
Ah, the best thing ever. And recording this whole entire thing.
They're inside.
Heidi McGee! Heidi McGee! Oh, we have a Heidi McGee! You want a Heidi McGee? This? Let's do some little thing called glitch walking. I'm gonna glitch walk to get them. Hey, hey, hey. Glitch walk.
Game over.
You got him.
I didn't know how to glitch. I didn't need the glitch walk then.
Yeah, I got him.
Jesus Christ.